And it's very clear. Look, in Nepal, there have been always two strands of opinion. There are people like this clown Oli. There are people like this clown Oli.
Yes, guys, he's talking about our Prime Minister KP Oli. He says our Prime Minister is a clown. So this has always been like this. Indian media, Indian big people, Indian journalists, they are just saying bad things about our country, and there are a lot of these people, lot of this media. तर यो सबैको बाउ छ नि, that is this person, Arnab Goswami. Today I'm gonna talk about him. Let's go. So hey guys, it's me Walya back again. How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing good and stay safe from corona है. Like अब हुँदा हुँदा नेपालमा मान्छे पनि they are starting to die because of corona. 3 जनाको डेथ भइसक्यो. It's very sad news. So that's a really serious news. And next serious news is about India and Nepal, which I'm going to talk in this video. So the thing that is going on between India and Nepal right now is about Lipu Lake, which is part of our country, and that is for sure. Nepal ko Lipu Lake, and India claims that it is a part of their country, which is completely wrong. Indian medias are saying shit about Nepal and they have no fucking right to say that. लाइक तिनीहरू को हो नेपालको बारेमा यस्तो भन्ने? लाइक तिनीहरूभन्दा कति ठुल्ठुलो मान्छेले देशलाई एकअर्कालाई रेस्पेक्ट गरेर राखेको छ भने यो इन्डियन मिडिया को हो? यो अर्णव गोस्वामी को हु द डु यु थिङ्क अफ योरसेल्फ ब्रो? दिस पर्सन इज द वर्स्ट पर्सन आई हेभ एभर सिन. यसलाई नेपाली या यसकै देशको मान्छेहरू इन्डियनले पनि यसलाई मन पराउँदैन. पहिलो कुरा, दिस पर्सन इज अ डिस्कस्टिङ पर्सन. यसको बारेमा हेर्ने हो भने यसलाई न नेपाली न इन्डियनले मन पराउँछ. He is saying so much bad things about Nepal.
Why does it stand? Why do you want to stand? Why don't you stand up for Jana Gana Mana? What's your problem with it? Why can't you stand up for 52 seconds? Why can't you? Why? See the entire Rotary Club or school. Why can't you stand up for 52 seconds? Why can't you stand up for 52 seconds? Why can't you? Today, because I'll tell you why. Because I'll tell you why.
यो मान्छे एउटा इन्डियन जर्नलिस्ट हो, तर ऊ आफूलाई इन्डियन प्रेसिडेन्ट ठान्छ कि के ठान्छ, आई डोन्ट नो. लुक एट हिज एटिट्युड. उसले एउटा यो मान्छेलाई बोलाएको छ आफ्नै सोमा. उसले अर्णव खै के गोस्वामी द डिबेट खै के भन्ने यसको सो छ. लुक एट हिम. आफ्नै देशको मान्छेलाई यस्तो रुडसित ऊ बोल्छ भने यसले नेपालको बारेमा के भनेको होला, केपी ओलीको बारेमा के भनेको होला. लुक एट द इन्डियन पिपल रियाक्टिङ टु हिम. इन्डियन पिपललाई मन पर्दैन यो मान्छे, यति खत्तम मान्छे हो. लुक एट हिम साउट. यस्तोसित कराएको छ. यसरी डिसरेस्पेक्ट गर्न मिल्छ कसैलाई? नाउ यु गाइज नो. यसको ब्याकग्राउन्ड थाहा भयो यो को हो. हि इज अ इन्डियन जर्नलिस्ट र यसले आफ्नै देशको मान्छेलाई कसरी हेप्यो. यु गाइज स द्याट. यसलाई आफ्नै देशको उसकै देशको इन्डियन मान्छेले उसलाई कति मन पराउँदैन. यु गाइज स द्याट. नाउ लेट्स सी अबाउट नेपाल. यसले के भन्छ.
China is using Nepal.
Man, shut the fuck up, bro. Shut the fuck up. यसलाई यो राइट कसले दियो? लाइक who gave him this right to say shit about Nepal? China is using Nepal. Oh my god, मुख हेर ना इसको. मुख हेर.
In Kalapani, which is an Indian territory.
Indian territory
is a very important vantage point for India to keep an eye on Chinese movements. So strategically we keep an eye on Chinese movements for a long time. Yeah, let me
He's talking, bro. आफू मात्रै बोल्ने हो.
complete my question, sir. My question is,
Okay.
China, I believe that you are just being egged on by China. China is using you because Lipu Lake Pass in Kalapani is an important strategic point for India to keep an eye on Chinese movements, right, for a long time, for more than 40, 50 years, right? You must not compromise the India-Nepal friendship just to give China a small strategic advantage. Also, personally...
Whoa, no, we're not giving China a strategic advantage. हामी जे हाम्रो त्यो क्लेम गरिरह हो यार यत्रो सानो देश छ त्यही पनि why the do you why the fuck are you taking every part of Nepal हामी चाइनालाई के सजिलो बनाएर हैन we don't care about India र चाइनाको दुश्मनी we don't care about India र पाकिस्तानको दुश्मनी we don't want to destroy India र नेपालको friendship not the China र नेपालको friendship we just claim what is ours and Lipu Lake is ours that is for sure Lipu Lake हाम्रो हो हाम्रो नयाँ म्यापमा लिपु लेक हाम्रो भनेछ लिपु लेकको सबै मान्छे नेपाली हो नट इन्डियन ओके त्यो
Government of India can also produce its evidences.
No.
Both sides can sit down and talk,
sir,
and then this could be resolved.
You know, that
Here
way-
I guess
that
what
way-
China
that
is
way
doing,
with,
what China
with-
is not doing, and what I should do and what I
yeah.
should not do. This is not what you should be saying. You should be
Minend-
asking my
Mr.
opinion.
Rijal.
You may disagree with me.
Mr.
That's a
Rijal, let me
different
tell
thing.
you what is offensive.
कस्तो मान्छे यार
And I don't know how interviews are done in Nepal, but I know how they are done in India. This is how we do it.
You Nepal coming, you bargain.
गुरे छ तेरो पारा तेरो सोच तेरो मान्छेसित बोल्ने तरिका तेरो संस्कार तेरो बाबुआमाले तँलाई के सिकायो त्यो सबै कवाड रहेछ
Coronavirus strain coming from India is more lethal than the coronavirus strain coming from China. Can you explain this?
Yes. So as far as I know, Hyderabad is part of your country, right? So I would like you to read this, please. No, you don't have to do anything. I'll read it for you. So, a group of Indian scientists who have been working on understanding changes happening to coronavirus that causes COVID-19 has found that some structures of virus are undergoing changes that show the virus in India. In India, a group of Indian scientists in India shows the virus in India is diverging from Wuhan strain. So let me show you the meaning of diverging. Going in different direction or spreading. So let me show you map of India and Nepal on world map. Name is so yeah this one. And so this is India and this is Nepal. So if coronavirus is spreading from Nepal, I mean from India, then it sure won't get in Nepal, right? Because they are not together in world map. Wow, you're really smart. I'm amazed, man. I'm like म अचम्म परेँ लाइक यस्तो हुँदो रहेछ इन्डियाको जर्नलिस्ट उसले आफै भन्यो दिस इज हाउ वी डु इन्टरभ्यू इन इन्डिया भने त इन्डियाको सबै मान्छे त खत्तम रहेछ त जर्नलिस्टहरू हाउ क्यान दे बी लाइक द्याट म्यान इन्डिया खत्तम होइन इन्डियाको मान्छे खत्तम भने होइन आम टकिङ अबाउट जर्नलिस्ट हाउ द हेल क्यान दे से द्याट के इन्डियाको जर्नलिस्ट लाइक दिस इज हाउ वी आर रे आई डोन्ट नो हाउ इन्टरभ्युज आर इन नेपाल दिस इज हाउ वी आर इन्डियन जर्नलिस्ट संस्कार खै त्यस भए खै कसरी के आधारमा त यस्तो कवाड सो द्याट इज वाट इट इज गाइज इन्डियन मिडिया जस्ट च्याटिङ बुलशिट यार इन्डियन मिडिया कस्तो खत्तम न्युज भन्छ यु गाइज स है अर्णव गोस्वामीले आफै भन्यो आई डोन्ट नो हाउ इन्टरभ्युज आर देयर इन नेपाल तर दिस इज हाउ इन्टरभ्युज आर इन इन्डिया एन्ड सो इफ Indian people hate Arnab Goswami and he says that this is how Indian journalists are, then imagine Indian news कस्तो खत्तम होला. This proves यो नेपालीले भनेको हैन है म एउटा नेपाली हो मैले मात्र भनेको हैन यो इन्डियन पिपलले आफै भनेको छ कि अर्णव गोस्वामी कति खत्तम हो यु गाइस स उले कसरी डिसरेस्पेक्ट गर्यो. And so this is it, man. If I started making videos on Indian media, then it will take forever. So at the last, I want to say कि Indian media are just chatting bullshit. Back off India. Back off like Indian media. You know, Lipu Lake is ours, and nothing can take part of our country away from us. It's like taking a child from the mother. Like we Nepali don't care about what is going on between you guys and China, you know. We don't care about India and China. We don't care about India and Pakistan. We don't care about India, China, or anything. Yes, that is true. We can't disrespect any country. हामीले इन्डियालाई disrespect गरे हैन, चाइनालाई गरे हैन, पाकिस्तानलाई गरे हैन, कुनै देशलाई गरे हैन. we love every country, तर what we love the most is our mother and our motherland. नेपालीले नेपाललाई माया गर्नु स्वाभाविक हो. जति इन्डियनले इन्डियालाई माया गर्छ, जति इन्डियन मिडियाले इन्डियालाई माया गर्छ, जति चाइनिजले चाइनालाई माया गर्छ, त्यति नेपालीले नेपाललाई माया गर्छ. र टेकिङ पार्ट अफ आवर कन्ट्री इज नट कुल म्यान. इट्स नट कुल. इन्डियन मिडिया, यु गाइज आर च्याटिङ बुलशिट. स्टे अवे फ्रम अस. इन्डियन मिडिया, बी केयरफुल वाट यु टक अबाउट नेपाल. नेपाल इज माई कन्ट्री. नेपाल इज आवर कन्ट्री. हाम्रो बारेमा जे भन्ने, हाम्रो देशको बारेमा जे भन्ने सोचेर बोल. Respect others, take respect, give respect. It's all about that. So this was it on this video. So Lipu Lake is ours. Take care guys. Peace.
मोदी भाई, तुमको मैं चैलेंज देता हूँ. तुमको गांठ में दम है तो, तुम्हारा गांठ में दम है तो तुम चाइना के साथ लड़के दिखाओ. 1962 में तो चाइना का साथ हार कर तो हमारा लिपू लेक में आकर तुम चूहे का तरफ छिपके बैठा. अभी वो ज़मीन तुम्हारा है बोलने के लिए शर्म नहीं है? जितना अभी इंडिया मीडिया तुम्हारा 1962 में चाइना के साथ लड़ने के बाद तुम वो भारतीय सेना लिपू लेक में आके काला पानी के ऊपर तुम छिपके बैठा, चूहे की तरह छिपके बैठा. अभी वो ज़मीन तेरा है बोल के तू बोलने के लिए तुम्हारा शर्म नहीं आती है इंडिया मीडिया?